Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? We are back. Yo, what's up, guys? How are you? Thank God it's fucking Friday, man. I'm so happy. Alright, man. We got a lot to work on. We're gonna work on a Discord bot, and this is gonna be this is a Discord bot that I've been wanting to work on for a while. So, yeah, give me 1 second. I'm gonna be right back real quick. So just give me one quick second. Alright, sorry, I'm back. Okay, anyways. Alright, let's see. So basically today, what I want to do is I have a lot of ideas that I've been thinking about over the past couple of weeks. And so my goal is just to implement those ideas into the server. So I know the very first thing that I talked about was I want to make a feature that allows my server boosters to promote their bot. And I have a good idea of what I want to do. So I guess we can work on that first because I think that's going to be the most fun feature. So I'm going to go ahead and just open up my terminal, and I'm going to make a directory. And I'll call this, I don't even know what to call this bot, to be honest. I have so many projects. I need to think of a better name because, like, I have so many directories that are just named, you know, Code Ring or Discord bot. I want to think of a better name. I'll just call it Ring bot, I guess. Doesn't really matter. And so basically, the first feature that I'm going to work on is I want to make a feature that allows my server boosters to submit their bot. So this is going to be a little bit tricky because they're sending the data through a Discord chat. But we're going to have a very opinionated way of formatting everything. So it's going to basically look something like this. So let me open up my notepad. Give me 1 sec. Yo, welcome to the stream, everyone, for those that are just tuning in right now. So basically, what I want to do is I want to have the user do something like this. So they're going to say name. So this is going to be the Discord bot name. Okay. Description. So what the bot does, what kind of features it has, etc., etc., right? We also want something that, let's see, I think the link to the bot, so the invite link to bot. And I think there's also a couple other things that I want. Well, I think that's pretty much it for now. There's the Discord bot name, what the bot does, invite link to the bot. Okay, cool. So the idea is someone is going to send this message to the bot submission channel. So that's my server boosters. They're going to send it in this format. And then the bot is going to create an embed message. And it's going to just generate that embed message. And it's going to post it in a public channel that everyone's going to be able to see. And basically the way it's going to work is the server boosters, depending on how much there are on them, they can actually there's going to be a bump feature. So we're going to make it so that the server booster can actually quote unquote bump their bot. So for example, let me go on a test server real quick. Let me go here. Okay, so let's say for example I have 3 listings over here, 1, 2, 3, and there's gonna be a couple. The bot's gonna basically add some reactions to these messages, so we'll just add a couple reactions to it. Doesn't really matter what they are. Okay, let's just add. Let's see. So there will be a couple reactions, and what we want to do is if someone reacts to us, let's say for example this pair emoji. If they react with this emoji, that means it's going to bump their message. So the message is going to be resent to the channel. So that means someone who's looking at the channel will see the bot again. So it's going to be a way to, it's going to be a way to pretty much allow people to see the message. It's kind of like an advertisement. You want to bump your advertisement. Same thing if you're familiar with how Discord works, it allows you to bump your bot. Okay. And we're also gonna have like a feature that allows them to edit certain fields, which is gonna be pretty cool. And yeah, so this is just going to be something pretty simple, nothing too complicated. Of course, we're gonna have to save the data to a database at some point, but I'm not too concerned about that right now. What we'll do is we'll first initialize our repository with npm, and I'll install discord.js. Okay, and let me go ahead and just open up Visual Studio Code. Oh wait, whoops, I completely forgot about something. Completely forgot about something. What's up, Musicy? How are you? So I'm gonna ignore the token, and I'm gonna do prefix right there. Okay. This is gonna take a couple of minutes. Hello world, thank you, man. I appreciate it. Thank you for checking out the stream, man. If you guys are new to the stream, feel free to drop a like and subscribe. I'm gonna be posting videos every week, so okay. Before I do anything else, I actually need to set up my environment variable. So let me do that real quick. Yo, what's up, Clement? How are you? I really love your tutorial. Thank you, man. The next tutorial is going to be a continuation of the dashboard. I'm also going to do some side videos too. So there's going to be a video that's going to show you guys how to do... I'm going to make a video explaining OAuth too. And I'm going to explain... how to make your own OAuth system. I'm also currently working on a project right now for something special. So I will let you guys know when I am ready to announce that. Anyways, so let me go ahead and just get my bot token real quick. I'm going to set the environment variable on my system. Okay. Auth bot token. So we got to change this to auth bot token. And the prefix is just going to be... I'm just going to manually hardcode the prefix. I don't really care. Why is this giving me an error? Oh, I need to install types. There we go. Hello, trying to follow your dashboard tutorial, but I quickly realized I'm way over my head. Hey man, if you need extra help, you can join our Discord server. If you guys are new to the channel, if you guys are new to the server, feel free to join the Discord server. There's a link in the description. Discord community service update. Yes, I did. I actually set it up already, so it's pretty awesome. I'm doing good, Musicy. Thank you. Okay, there we go. Alright, so this should, let's just try to start up our bot. Alright, so our bot's logged in, awesome. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a command that's only going to be used by server boosters. So I'm going to go ahead and get the server booster role right now. And I'll probably end up saving all this data to a database later on. Maybe I'll make it multi-guild so other people can use it too if they want the same system. Anyways, so what do we want is we want a command. So let me do /command. And the name of this command is going to be, let's see, what is this going to be? Well, should this be a command or should this just be a message listener? I'm trying to think what would be the best way. Yeah, Express and React are a whole different ball game when you just come from HTML, but it takes some time to learn it though. You'll get the hang of it at some point. Should this be a command? Okay, yeah, this will be a command. What should I call this? I'm not sure what to call this. Post add. This is a command. When you use the command, the bot's gonna tell you to enter your data. So enter, well, not the data, like the bot data. So let's do enter name command. Let's see, what should I do? What should I call this command? Post bots. Add bot. Yeah, I'll call it add bot. Screw it. Category will be premium command, I guess. Okay, I'm not really too fond of the name of this class, but it should. I'll just change it like that. No big deal. Strix, what's up? The console, well, this is the Windows Terminal app. Okay, this is Windows Terminal app. So, bot add bot. There we go. Okay. So what we want to do is we want to send a message to the user and tell them to we're gonna run a message collector basically, or maybe not a message collector, maybe just a await message. So we'll do this. Please complete the following. We'll do this. Please enter the name for your Discord bots. Okay. And then what we'll do is we'll expect the user to send a message. Bot name is equal to await message dot channel dot await messages, and we're gonna pass in a filter, const filter, and we're just gonna make sure that the author. Let me actually type this. Might as well, right? Because we're using TypeScript. Is equal to message dot author dot id. And we also want to make sure, yeah, author ID. Okay, we're gonna have to add a permission guard to this later. So we'll pass in the filter and we'll do max 1 and then time. We'll do, I guess, 60 seconds. And any errors, time will be an error, I guess. Okay. So that should get us the bot name, but we also need to first content. This looks so freaking ugly, but it'll do for now. Const bot description. And then the last thing would be the link. Bot invite link. Oh wait, I can actually, wait, what the hell am I doing? Can't believe I didn't think about that first. We can define that in an object and then paste it in like that, so it makes it much more reusable. Well, I'm not sure why this await is there. That kind of did it by itself. I didn't even realize that. There should just be a parentheses though. I guess it thought first returns a promise, which is weird for it to infer that. Anyways, so we're gonna have another message. Channel send. Please enter a description. Message the channel send. Please enter the invite link to your bot. Okay, so I want to basically take all this data and then put it inside an embed message. So const embed equals new message embed, and then we're gonna just do a couple things. We're gonna set the I'm not sure I want to do this. Set the description to bot description. The title, I guess, set author. We'll set the author to. The name is going to be message the author dot avatar, or not avatar, tag, and then the avatar URL message the author dot avatar. And then we'll do set title or set title, and the title of this is going to be the let's see, title is going to be the bot name, I guess, and I want to set the URL as well, which I guess will be bot invite link, and then set timestamp. So this is going to be sent to the channel after. Okay, let's try it out, and hopefully everything works fine. Add bots. What the hell? Oh, my bot's lagging. I don't know what's going on. Invalid form body. That's weird. Let's try that again. Bot add. Not sure why it's taking. Oh wait, it's because I just scroll. Wow, is it because I'm on this? I think it's because I'm on streamer mode, so it doesn't show. Let me disable streamer mode. Okay, so let's just call this ring bot. Oh, it's not even this. Okay, this is a Discord bot dedicated for moderation, music, and fun commands. Please enter the invite link. So we'll just do something like, I'll just post youtube.com. Okay, so this should give me the link. Okay, cool. So this is a Discord bot dedicated for moderation today. Okay, awesome. So we'll give it a color later. Give it a color later. Okay. And I think I'll probably give it an option for the user to add an image later on. So that'll be basically kind of like be like a promotional image. And then what I want to do is I want to add two reactions to this. So we'll add let me do this. Or let me do a white heavy check mark. Or what was the emoji again? Heavy. I want the white check mark. White check mark. White check mark. And I want the X. I think it's X. Okay, there we go. So we'll have these two. And then we'll just add the reactions. So let's do this. Const submitted equals await. And then we will do await submitted message dot react. Await submit message dot react. And copy that emoji. Paste that in there. And I'll just finally delete all of the messages that I need to delete. So what we'll do is, let's do this. Const delete messages. Put this inside an array, and then for each one of these, I guess I'll just call it then. I'm not sure why though that's not letting me use .then. Yeah, just let me use .then freely. Okay, there we go. Thank you. So I'll just probably push this to an array. So delete messages.push m. We'll do the same thing for every single call after. And then finally we're gonna do let's see. Name. Okay, and we'll push that. And then after that, we will, let me see. How would you create a help command using Slappy, not hard-coded? So Slappy has a property. The client has a property called what's it called? Client.commands. You can loop through that map, and then you can get all of the commands that are registered. Alright, so we'll also do this. Delete messages, push, bot invite link. Alright, so now the reason why I'm doing this is because after everything's done, we're going to delete all the messages from the channel. So bulk deletes. I think this takes in an array of messages. Yes, so delete messages. And I'll use a set timeout to delete it after, let's do 3.5 seconds. Okay, let's try this out. So, add bot. My voice is low and far. I don't know why it is. Ring bot. This is a multi-purpose bot that works on multiple guilds. It supports rich commands, rich dashboard, and more. I misspelled more, but it's whatever. Okay, so now you can see that all these messages should be deleted. Oh, my bot probably doesn't have a... Wait, what? Oh, wait. Oh, I think I need the IDs actually. Whoops. I might actually yeah, I need the IDs. Bot name. God damn it. Well, that kind of sucks. Oh, wait, that makes sense because bot name isn't the actual message. Yeah, I was like, wait a minute. I'm pretty sure if I just have the message itself, it should work. Let me do this. Bot name message. Okay, and then down here we'll do the contents. Well, actually, wait a minute. You know what I could also do? Is there a way I could? I wonder if there's a way I could do this message and then content. Can I do that in TypeScript? Damn, that'd be sick if I could though, but I don't think I can do that. Basically, I want to keep the original return value, but also destructure something at the same time. I don't think that's possible, which kind of sucks. But if you guys, if there's a way to do it, then let me know. Is my voice really that low? All right, let me turn on my mic. Is it better now? Is it better now? Okay, should be better now. Alright, so we're gonna get rid of content. I mean, you know what I could also do is I could wrap all these things inside a function. And then I can just return, you know, I could probably do this. Get message from wait. And what I could do is, let's see, string. And what I could do is, let me do this. We'll go down over here. We will await the message. And then we'll take the filter, bring it over here. And now, we'll call first, and I can now return an object instead. So I can return the original message itself, and then bot description. Wait, why is this not? Wait, hold on. What? Oh, wait, hold on. Message bot description, or wait. Call this response, and then contents. There we go. All right, so now I've wrapped all this stuff in here. So instead of doing all this stuff over here, so we can kind of like tidy it up a little bit. So instead of doing that, what I can do is I can do this. Watch this. So please enter the name of your Discord bot. So const. Okay, so we're going to do this. This is going to return a promise. And it's going to return an object. Crap, I actually should declare an interface for it. I'll worry about that later. So we're going to call this.get message from await. We're going to pass in the message object. We're going to pass in what was MSG supposed to be? I don't even think we need anything here. Okay. And then the return value of this should just be response and then content. But I'm going to destructure this, or I'm going to name it as name. Just like that. So now I can go over here and I can do name. And I'll do the same thing over here. Getting the description. We'll call const. Now this the problem here is that I can't destructure response, which kind of sucks because I've already destructured it once already. So what I'll do is I could probably just destructure it as something else. Let's do name message instead, I guess, and then we'll do delete messages dot push name message. Okay, perfect. So that will work just fine. And now we'll do response. Oh, description message, and then content description. And then we will do await this.get message from await message. I can call it get response too. Get response. Get response. Response. Get response. Okay, and then delete messages.push description message. Okay, and the last thing we'll do, I'm just gonna copy and paste this, and we'll name this as link message. Link. Do the same thing here. Okay, cool. So now we will just pass in this, and then pass in this. Okay, so now this should delete all the messages without any issue, hopefully. Okay, so all these messages should be deleted. No, missing permissions. Okay, that's fine. So I just got to give my bot the permissions. So I'll give it admin for now. So let's do this again. Add bot. Okay, so a couple seconds, all these messages be deleted. Still missing permissions. You know what it could be? Yeah, it's probably this. Manage messages. There we go. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I think it deleted all. Yep, it deleted all the messages. Okay, cool. So I'll purge everything, and then now an admin like myself will need to. An admin like myself will need to approve or disapprove. Okay, and once it's been approved, this message will be deleted, and it'll actually be sent to the approved channel. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyways, yeah, this is, so I think the next thing that we have to do is we're not going to save this data to the database. What we're going to do is we're going to wait for the admin to approve. So I'm going to need to listen to the message reaction add event. So if I do this, any message that's in this channel will be able to listen to these messages. Okay, And once I approve it, this message will be deleted and it'll be posted in the new channel. So yeah, we're gonna have to create that part real quick, so it'll be pretty easy. Chris, I would highly suggest you ask your question on the server and not on the stream, because you know, I can't really help you while I'm streaming because I'm obviously doing my own thing, and you know, the people here that are, you know, chatting are, you know, trying to interact with the stream. So if you ask your question on the server, I'm sure there's going to be someone that will help you out if you ask a very specific question. If you ask someone a very specific question, and if you give them, you know, some insight on what you've tried, they'll definitely be able to help you out. All right, I'm gonna be right back real quick. All right, I'm back. Okay, anyways. Yeah, so a couple things that we have to do right before is we need to make sure that this command is only executed by server boosters. So we're going to go up top over here and we're going to check to see if, let's do this, if message.member .roles.cache has, so if they don't have the server booster rule, so I can't really test this on my main server right now, but it's really easy. All you have to do is just get the ID of the role. So we'll just do verified for now. So if they don't have this role, then it's just going to say return message.channel send. You do not have permissions. And then we'll delete the message shortly after. Why is it awaiting? That's pretty annoying. We'll do 5 seconds. Okay, there we go. Perfect. So if I don't have this permission, if I don't have this role, then I can't do it then. So let's do add bot. It's gonna say I can't do it. Or wait, we need to it's going over here. Wait a minute. Oh wait, it's because we're returning. Alright, you know what? I'll do this instead. Bad practice, but we'll fix it later. So add bot. Please enter. Okay, so it's saying that because I actually do have the role. Okay, there we go. You do not have permissions. Alright, there we go. That's good. So that's basically going to be our server booster role. Okay. And what we want to do essentially is we want to check to see if, well, there's going to be some bypasses too, obviously. So if the person has owner or if they have a specific role that can bypass it, then I'll let them do that. But I think only the people that can boost their bot is only going to be myself and server boosters. Anyways, not sure why it's saying invalid form body. That is very weird. Oh, that's because... Oh, wait, never mind. That's okay. Okay, that's cool. Okay, so I'll probably create... Let me create a separate category for this. Let's do boosters. And we'll go here, submit a bot. So this is where we're going to execute the command. And then I want it to post to a public channel, so I'll probably put it over here. So public bots or submitted bots. Okay, cool. So this is where all of the messages are going to be sent. Or actually, wait a minute. We need bot submissions as well. So this is the channel that it's going to send the messages to. So we'll just define that up here, I guess. And instead of sending the message to the original channel, what we're going to do is we're going to get the channel ID const channel equals client.channels.cache.get bot submission channel ID, and then we shall just do this. God freaking damn it. Alright, there we go. That should do the trick. Alright, so add bots. You don't have permissions. Okay, so let's give myself, or let's just do this. Or message.member owner. Is this a, the equals message dot authored ID? Okay, that should be fine as well. What is the difference between TS and JS? Primarily, TypeScript has type annotations and type inference. It's statically typed. There's a whole bunch of differences. I can't really go through all of it, but I would suggest you Google it and read upon it, because I have a whole video that talks about it, so you can check it out if you want. When is there coming new Discord dashbot tutorial? Tomorrow or Sunday. I uploaded one today. What type of bot am I working on? I'm working on a custom bot for myself. Right now we're working on a feature that allows users to submit their bots, or server boosters rather. Oh, wait. So yeah, every so here's the thing with server boosters. Yes, every server booster will have access to it. But once it's done, it'll be rolled out. Like I literally created this channel today, the boosters chat, and I'm basically told all my boosters that if they have a bot that they want to submit, they can, and I'll look it over to make sure that there's like nothing sketchy about it. And yeah. Okay, so I don't have the role, but I also am the owner. If I didn't have the role, and if I wasn't owner, that would both be true. Okay, good, good, good. Sander, I don't know how to pronounce the name, but if you aren't in the Discord server, please ask on the Discord server. It's literally impossible for me to help through like live stream when I don't see your code, and if you post a question on the Discord server and if you identify the issue, it's very likely that someone will be able to help you out. Sander, oh, okay. Yeah, just post it on the server. I don't know if you're there already, but just be as descriptive as possible. And basically what you explain to me, explain to them. Awesome, you're in the server. Okay. I think we got that done. So the next thing that I need to do is just get the message sent. Okay, let me try this all over again. I should also do this. I'm gonna add a confirm. Oh, actually, you know what? I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make it so that if the user reacts, okay, I think I'm gonna expect them to react, and if they approve, then okay, I think I got it. Let's just do this for now. Alright, there we go. So now an admin would see this, and I can approve or reject it. So what I'm going to do actually is I'm going to do this. Okay, cool. Pending. So now, what we need to do is we need to go inside message reaction add event, and we need to listen to, well, we need to check all of the messages in this channel. Okay. Yo, it's Yo, what's up, Clavark? How are you? Why is this guy spamming? You want keyboard cam? Alright, give me 1 sec. Alright, sorry, I was eating fruit. I always eat fruit. Alright, let me see something real quick. Video capture device, add source. Alright, there we go. You guys can see my keyboard. Hopefully it's not the angle looks really weird this time. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Let's see if I can angle it better. There we go. Is it better? Move that here. Okay, there we go. Let me I'll put on some music too. Maybe the music might destroy the keyboard sounds. I don't know. You guys, I'll play it very low though, so you guys won't really hear it too loud. It'll be like super low. Alright, hopefully the music isn't that loud. Alright, there we go. And I gotta go ahead and do something real quick. What was I eating? I was eating fruit. The usual. The usual. Alright, give me 1 sec. I need to put credits in my description before I get sued. Or not sued, copyright claimed. This is a good song too. I like the song. It's pretty fucking dope, if you ask me. Watermelon, banana. My favorite. Alright, there we go. I put the credits. NCS, don't copyright me. Hopefully it's there. Anyways. Give me 1 sec. Just checking something real quick. Alright, awesome. Awesome. Okay. Oh boy. Okay. Excuse me. So, what I want to do is I want to check to see, I mean, I could do this. I'll check the name too. And I'll check this as well. Whoops. Do you like banana? Watermelon just water, but it's good. Waterbread. Okay. We should also make it so that only only works for myself, but I think it'll be okay because I'm the one that's doing it, but I'm not sure if, oh, we should also do this. If user.bot turn. There we go. That'll ignore bot reactions. And so now what we want to do is we want to check to see if the footer.text is equal pending. So if it's pending, that means it's waiting for approval. Okay, so you know, actually, I'll do this instead. If name is equal to this, okay, and instead of checking this, I'll do user ID message dot guild dot owner ID instead. So that's me, okay? So it's only gonna work for me, no one else. When did I start coding? 2016. So if it's equal to name, or I'm sorry, if name is equal to this, so what we want to do is we want to set the embed.setFooter approved. Okay, and then right when we do this, we're gonna take the embed and we're gonna send it to submitted bots right here, and then we're gonna save it to the database. Okay, so we're gonna take the embed, and I'll get the const submitted bot channel ID. And then we will do const channel equals client.channels.cache.get, and then submitted bot channel ID. Oh wait, I gotta do text channel. Oh, let's forget the casting. And then channel.send embed, and that should be okay. And if it gets denied, so else if name is equal to the X emoji. Wait. If it's equal to X, then I guess we could send the user a DM, I guess. We'll worry about it later. We'll just say, you know what, we'll just do this. Embed.setFooter denied. And I think that should, Actually, I think I need to re-edit the entire message again. So if that's the case, I actually do need to fetch the message. So I guess I could do that. Const message equals. Yeah, I guess I could do that. Okay, and then I'll do message.edit embed. And I think the colors, I know exactly what I'll do for the colors. We'll do like maybe yellow for pending, red for rejected, and then green for approved. How did you learn coding? It was mostly school, and then I did side projects on. I did side projects, so I coded on my own aside from school, and practice, lots of practice, and that was pretty much it. Okay, so let's try this out right now. I'm gonna have to open up my other browser. I'm gonna have to open up my other Discord, just so I can make sure it works on the other account, and I'll probably let you guys test it if we have time. Is my other account even on the server? No, I don't think so. It's on the other server. Give me one sec. Oh wait, I think I'm banned from the server. There we go. Alright, so I'm going to let my alt account try to use it, and then hopefully it will work accordingly. Okay, so let's see. From here on, what we could do is we can test this out. So let's go ahead, submit a bot. So let's do add bots, ring bots. This is a multi-purpose Discord bot written in Discord.js, and then we'll paste the link, so youtube.com. Okay, and now let's try. So it didn't edit the message. I think it's missing permissions, but you can see that it was approved. Okay, so yeah, it should edit it. Well, actually, wait a minute. Wait, hold on. Okay, wait. So this worked just fine, but why is it saying missing permissions? Why is it saying missing permissions, though? I'm not sure where that part is coming from. But, oh, I think maybe I should also edit that as well after. But I'm not sure where exactly it was saying missing permissions. It may have been because it was trying to delete messages, maybe. I don't know. Maybe submit a bot. Probably something over here. What are the main coding languages you know? JavaScript, Java, and Python. I'm actually getting back into Python. I'm actually going to start learning Django, which is a web framework. So I'm very excited for that. And same thing with Java. I'm currently also learning Spring Boot as well. Well, I mean, I know it a little bit, but I'm also still working on it to get better at it. So, but Django is definitely something that I'm looking forward to working on. All right, so let's try to do this on my alt account. So I'm going to go over to submit a bot, so add bot. So it's going to say you don't have permission, so I'm going to give it the permission. So let's give it verified. Okay, now it should work. Add bot. Okay, so if you guys see over here, we'll call this Yeti bot, best Discord bot ever, and we'll just give it a link. Okay, so now it should appear over here, and I'm going to reject it, and you can see that it says denied. Okay, yeah, cool, and it doesn't, cool. All right, awesome. And I'll probably have to add a cooldown too, so we'll need a database or some kind of cache. So let me go ahead and just get some hex colors to make this look a little bit more cool. So that way, whenever it's in pending state, it's going to have a yellow color or a goldish color. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to have to go into add bot command. We're going to set the color. Set color. Okay, and there's no way that we can actually get the author of this. I mean, we could actually keep track of it in the database, so we actually don't need to add anything additional. So, set color. This is going to be for pending. So when it's approved, we will set the color to green. Or actually, I'll do blue. because blue's a pretty cool color. Okay, and I don't like it like this, so let me do that. And then when it is red, we shall do the same thing, but I mean when it's denied, we shall do the same thing to set the color to red. Actually, I'll do I'll do red. Maybe I'll do a little nice, I don't know, burgundy red or something a little bit darker maybe. I don't know. Where do you get the color codes from? Just Google it. You just Google hex color code. Hey bro, what's the best way to do the OAuth 2 authentication code in React? Actually, you know what's funny? I was actually making a video about that, showing people how to do OAuth 2 from scratch. So if you're interested, look out for that video. But currently, the only way that most people do is by using Passport. So you could do that. I mean, I've done some videos showing how to do that with the dashboard. But I'll probably show one how to do it with from scratch, though. Yeah. Okay, so let's try this out. Let's submit a bot. Add bots. Hello. Let's do hello google.com. Alright, so you can see that it's currently yellow. If I deny it, it turns red. Okay, cool. And even if I react to it after, it's not going to work because it's already impending. So once it goes denied, you cannot approve it again. Okay. So if I do add bots, hello youtube.com. So let's go ahead and let's approve it. So there we go, approved. And let me actually change this as well. Well, I don't know why that didn't change because I just approved it, but it's still pending. Oh wait, because I didn't edit the message. Message not edit. Embed, there we go. Alright, that should be better now. Alright, cool. Alright, so that should change the color to green once it's approved, and then it will, or yeah, it'll change to blue, and it'll appear over here. Okay, so in the future, I'll let them add a thumbnail, and yeah, that should be it, I guess. Trying to think what else I need to do. Okay, so once it goes into submitted bots, that means everyone should be able to view it. Now, one thing that I actually do need to do is I need to add reactions. Okay, so I'll explain to you guys why I'm adding react. I think I kind of like briefly explained it earlier, but I'll re-explain it again so you guys know what's going to happen. Let's delete this. Okay, so we're going to add a couple reactions. So submitted message. So we're gonna react. So we're gonna react with a couple of emojis. So the first one that I want is, let's do this. Let's do. Is there a trash emoji or bin? Recycle. No, I know there's a trash emoji. Trash can. Wastebasket. Okay. And then the next one is going to be edit, so we need a pencil. So pencil. And bump. So what's a good emoji for bump? What should be a good emoji for bump? And keep in mind, I'm using Unicode emojis. I'm not using custom emojis, but what should be a good emoji that resembles bumping a message? So I guess we kind of have to look and scroll through and see what would be best. Delete the author message. Oh, hold on, give me one sec. Oh, you know, we'll do upvote. Actually, you know what I'm thinking? We could probably do a voting system too. We'll worry about that later, though. I'm trying to think of a good message that will bump. Maybe repeat. I think repeat would be good. It would look kind of weird, but I think it'll be okay. Well, what were you talking about? Delete the author message. Are you talking about which message are you talking about? Well, these messages do get deleted. I think these messages should get deleted. Not sure why they're not getting deleted. Oh, it's probably because. Oh, wait. It's because I just forgot. We changed channels. That's why it needs the manage messages. There we go. That's why. Okay, there, now I should delete messages. Up arrow could be good, but nah, I'm too lazy to deal with that right now. What's a better emoji? Up arrow is good, but I'm thinking about using a voting system maybe. Like if I have a voting system, people can vote. People can vote for like certain bots, I guess. And then yeah, I think that'd be pretty cool. I think that'd be pretty cool. But yeah, we'll just do up arrow. Actually, a voting system would be kind of weird. We'll just do an up arrow. I'll do arrow double up, I think. Is that what it's called? Arrow double up. Arrow double up. Okay, there we go. So let's do this. Let's do arrow double up. So we want to react with this. Wait. Submitted message react. And we'll do edit. Wait, submitted message react. And then wastebasket is the last one. Okay. And then next thing we're going to do after is we're going to listen to emoji reactions inside the same event. And we're going to have another else over here. Or else if, rather. So it's going to be else if, and this time we're going to check to see if message.channel.id is going to be equal to submitted bots. Okay. Now, if we were to have this to working on multiple different guilds, we need to fetch this stuff from a database. Why do you set slash? That's how you get the actual Unicode emoji. Because you can't copy. So, for example, if I do that, I can't copy that in there. You see how it just copies it like that? Let me actually zoom in. If I paste it, it just copies it like that. So that's why you need the slash in front of it. Windows plus dot to get a list of emojis. Oh, I didn't know about that. What server is that CS logo? I don't know who. Oh, this one? Code support. That's what it's called. I don't know if that guy's still here, but if you're still here, that's the name of the server. Code support. I think it's like a partner server that I found. Okay, anyways. What theme do I use in VSC? Currently, I'm using, I'm currently using Slack theme. Give me one quick second. Alright, sorry about that. Okay, so now we're gonna check to see if they react to emojis in this channel. And if they do, that means we're going to need to make sure that whenever they react, we want to make sure that that message belongs to them. So this is where we're going to need the database. Okay, this is where we're going to need the database. So let's see. Let's submit the message again. Whoops. So add bots, ring bot, HTTP. Okay, so now I am going to notice how if I actually go here and if I try to approve it, it's not going to work. Okay, but now if I approve it myself, see how it says approved. Now it's actually adding it to the wrong message. It should add it to this one. So I think, oh, wait a second. I did the wrong thing. It should have been this. Okay, there we go. I made a huge mistake, but that's okay. All right, let's try that again. So add bot, ring bot. All right, so now if my other account reacts to it, nothing's gonna happen. But if I react to it, so now it got approved, and now we have all three of these emojis. So this is going to bump the bot. So bumping, what it's gonna do is it's gonna check to see the last time the person bumped, and it's going to repost the message again. Edit is going to allow the person to edit the description as well as the link and the name of the bot. and then trash can is just going to delete it. So let's handle the two easiest cases first, okay? Let's handle the two easiest cases first before we even get into the database stuff. Yo, Cos Patat, what's up, man? How are you? AD, I can't do that right now because I'm, currently working on something, but someone can definitely help you out, though, if you're patient enough. Yo, what's up, Cos Patat? Long time no see. Okay, so basically, let's handle the easiest cases first. So we need a way to actually check to see. In order to actually edit and delete, we need a way to actually, well, actually, never mind. We actually do the database because we need to save this to the database. Alright, this is actually pretty easy, actually. We're going to use, let's see, should I use Mongoose? Should I use Sequelize? I'll use Mongoose. Mongoose is easy. So let's first do npm I Mongoose, and we'll also install Mongoose types. Yo, what's up, Syx? How are you? Thank you, man. I'm doing good, man. Thank you for asking. We got a lot of new people here. Yo, what's up, Gray Official? How are you? Okay, so I'm going to set the database right now. So let's go ahead and set up. I guess we can do schemas. Schemas. Same structure. And we'll call this bot listing.ts. And we will import, that's Mongoose. Import asterisk as Mongoose from Mongoose. What's that keep? It is a ducky one too many. I wanted client destroy. What's client destroy? Oh, is that a keyboard? I don't know what it is. How was my day? I'm doing good. Yeah, my keyboard is a ducky one too many. Haven't you applied for verification? No, I have not. I don't think I ever will. Okay, so I'm just setting up the schema right now, and with this schema, basically, it's going to allow us to save all the data to database. So we need a couple of data. We need the author, so the creator of this, we'll call it a creator, creator ID. So this is going to be a string, and it's going to be required. Okay, and then we're also going to have, let's see, listing name. So type is going to be a string, required true. We'll also have the listing, what else we'll do? Listing URL, type, string, required true. Okay. And what else did we need? We need the description, listing description, string, required true. Why not? You have all the required skills for developer, and you can make awesome bots. I appreciate that, man. So I mean, I've been asked this a lot. The reason why I never applied for, so here's the thing. I got the message, right? There was one time I was doing a stream, and everyone invited my bot to their server, but they invited it to like a bunch of like ghost servers, so it didn't really count. And obviously, if I were to get verified, I wouldn't want to get it the cheap way. Like, I wouldn't want people to, make a bunch of servers and invite the bot into it. Like, that doesn't make me feel like I've earned it. So if I actually wanted to get my bot into, like, if I wanted to get verified, I would want to like get my bot into, 100 different servers where people are actually using it. I think that's much more valuable. And so I got the message though, but I didn't apply because, well, I think it really didn't matter anyways, because they probably would have rejected me because of the whole inorganic growth. But I don't really care too much about, getting the verification status. To me, it doesn't really mean much. Anton, have you ever tried to use Firebase for the data structure of one of your bots? I've never used Firebase before, but I definitely will use Firebase at some point. I've used it once. I've tried to use it once, and I was super confused with it, but I'm going to give it a shot again. But personally, for me, I think Firebase is good for apps. Like to build, if you want to like build fast apps, it's good. But I don't know, Firebase limits you a lot with a lot of things. I personally enjoy doing things on my own. But yeah, I'm also not really motivated to make Discord bots. That's why like the past 2 months, like I never really made much Discord bot videos. I will be making a new Discord bot video though soon, very very soon. And my next Discord bot series is gonna come out around September, October-ish, and it's gonna cover intents. And it's gonna be brand new with MongoDB. I can't wait. I already started planning everything out already, and I actually am working on a tutorial right now. But I can't say too much about that tutorial right now because it's actually a very secretive one. But you guys will know when it comes out. We'll also do dates listed on. What else? What else do we want? What switches do I have? I have I think it's Gatreon. How do you pronounce it again? Gateron Reds. I think it's Gateron. I don't know if it's Cherry MX. I don't think it's Cherry MX. Let me check. Mechanical keyboards. I don't know if Ducky comes in I know they're Reds, but I don't know if they come in Cherry or... I'll check. I don't know if I even have the box, so I can't really be 100% sure. But I know it's Reds for sure. Okay, so listed on, and then we'll, let's see, status. So the status will be either pending, denied, or approved. Well, if it's, well, actually, we don't really need status. Yeah, we don't really need status though. But, creator. Oh, we need the message ID actually. We need the message ID. I won't save it to the. I won't save the guild ID. Music bots are hard. If you are using YouTube, yeah, that is. Yeah, I know that's pretty annoying. Cherry Duckies only come with. Okay, so yeah, it's definitely Cherry MX then. I know it's Reds for sure. Coding on Discord just version 2. Yes. Yes, we're coding on version 12. We're on version 12 right now. By the way, if you guys are new to the channel, feel free to check out my Discord server. Good place to, you know, just chill, chat about programming, get help. The link is in the description. Our goal is to hit 3,000 members on the server. Right now we are at 2,924. We've been growing like a lot the past week. I'm very proud of that. And the server's super active. Like there's always people talking about coding. There's always people helping each other out. So that's the goal, is to get to 3K. Hopefully, I don't know. I think we could probably hit 3K by next week. I want to be optimistic. Well, Discord bots are super, but hey, it's request looking for advanced JavaScript series, please. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna make an advanced JavaScript series. I'm gonna probably cover callbacks, promises, async await, a bunch more advanced Node.js stuff. I definitely do want to do some more Python videos on my channel, though. I need to, you know, diversify the channel. It can't just be only Discord bots. It can't only be JavaScript videos. It needs to be more Python, some Java, maybe some Go. I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to turn off the music for a little bit. I'm going to play something different. Okay, anyways, I think this is all we'll need to say for now. So if we approve the user, all we'll do is we'll just, let's see. Well, first let me import. And what we'll do is we'll save. Oh, wait, do I have the creator ID? Yes, I have the creator ID. Okay, cool. So we'll first do mongoose.connect, MongoDB. Okay, there we go. Excited for what? The advanced JavaScript series? Yeah, that's true. I've definitely been wanting to do that for a while now. Suggestion, a command where you add rules to someone like this. I think I've done that before. I think I've done something like that before. Yeah, I definitely have that video on my channel for sure. C++. So here's the thing. I've done Rust videos. C++. I mean, I could do C++, but I don't really have any interest in C++. I mean, I could, but it's just like, it would be more low-level stuff, you know what I'm saying? Like, I would really use C++ for low-level stuff. Can I get my description? Let me, hold on. Let me, post my Discord link real quick. Shameless plug. There we go. Alright, I really want to try to get this out today so people can use it. Or if not tomorrow. But tomorrow I have a lot of plans. Like, I'm going to show you guys something. If you guys are interested, I'm going to show you guys the structure that I have for my next project. Maybe it'll inspire some of you guys. I don't know. Why do you use MongoDB locally? Well, there's no real point to use like a remote MongoDB server, unless if you're hosting it like on a platform and you need to host it on a different server. Like if you're developing locally, you should use like the local server because one, it's gonna be much faster, and you're gonna have more resources on your computer. If you use Mongo Atlas, for example, I think they only give you like 500 megabytes or 1 gigabyte. I'm not sure. But making like network calls is going to be much slower compared to just making calls on your own local host. Oh, you want to add it to someone else? Oh, okay. Well, I mean, that should be pretty straightforward, though. You should be able to just, it should be pretty easy, though. It shouldn't be too hard. What about profile command? I mean, I think I have a profile command, I think. If not, you can make one from using like a simple server stats command video that I made. And you can just kind of play around with it. Guys, don't worry. Look, I'm going to tell you this, okay? Look, I'm currently working on a video right now, and the video is 1 hour. The video is going to be 90 minutes long, okay? The video is going to be 90 minutes long, and it's going to be a very awesome video. It's going to be a Discord bot related video. It's going to be released sometime, I think sometime in August. I'm not sure when it's going to be released exactly, but it's going to be released sometime in August. And it's going to cover, like, I think some of you guys will be okay without it, but for like the new people, it's going to cover Discord bot. It's going to cover all the basics, and I don't know. I think it's going to be awesome. I think you guys will appreciate it, and it's going to be freaking awesome. Like, I'm currently working on it right now. I'm almost done with it. I've been working on it for the past 3 days, and I just need to record about, I think, about 10 minutes left, so I can hit the 90-minute mark, and they'll have a lot of information. So hopefully that will be awesome. I can't wait. Please give a pro tip. How do you not get confused about all the languages, command structure, and how they work? Well, here's the thing. Documentation is important. You're not going to remember every single thing, but you can always look at documentation. The important part that you need to remember is structure and concepts. You're not going to remember every single command that exists out there. You're not going to remember every single function that exists out there. You're not going to remember every single class that exists out there. But what you can remember and what you can learn and train yourself to do is understand the concepts. And when you understand the concepts, it'll be amazing. For a mod mill bot, is there a way to make a queue for it? Yes, there is. I can't really tell you off the top of my head because I would need to think a little bit more about it. But if you join the server, I'm sure someone will be able to help you out. Did I ever make an app? Well, I've made a couple apps. If you're talking more specific about like mobile apps, I've made a mobile app before. Okay, anyway, so let me actually connect to the database now. So the database is connected, cool. So what we need to do next is we're going to go ahead and right over here. Okay. And if it is approved, then what we're going to do is we're going to take all the data from the embed. So const listing equals, oh wait. What's going on? Oh, did I not? Oh wait, I forgot I'm using TypeScript. What the hell? I forgot I'm using TypeScript. I can't believe I forgot I was using TypeScript. Okay, there we go. And god damn it. Let me see if I can do one thing real quick. Okay, so we basically need all these properties. So creator. Well, the app that I made was a mobile application for my university. It was a laundry application that I built so people can track their laundry better. And I deployed it on the Google Play Store. It was a cross-platform application that I made, so it works on web, iOS, mobile, and desktop. Okay, so this is the tricky part. This is the tricky part. So I think I actually do need to save the ID of the user, because right now there's no way I can get the creator ID if I don't save it. So I need to get the ID somehow. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go here, and I'm probably gonna save the ID. Yeah, I think that's gonna do. I'm gonna save the ID up top over there. Okay, I got it. Let me see. Actually, what would be the best way to save the ID? I'll save the ID first. Okay, I think I got it. What I'll do is... Where's the title? Okay, right over here. So set title, I'm gonna get the name. Well, not the name, the author. Sorry, author. We're gonna set the... we're gonna do this. Message the author.id. And then we shall do that. Okay, there we go. That should make it a lot easier so we can get the ID. Okay. So let's try this again. If our bot's even online. Oh, wait. Hold on, what's going on? Alright, Benji CS, have a good night, man. Take it easy. I want to make an application, but I don't know much about coding. Well, the first step would be obviously learning coding, of course. Learn coding, and then I use JavaScript and TypeScript and Angular. Have I tried doing some projects on WSL? I have not. Well, I mean, I have WSL, but mine is messed up right now. I screwed it up somehow. I don't even know how, but I screwed it up. But the only reason why I got WSL is because the shell is really nice. ZSH is amazing, and Docker is also amazing too. But I'm gonna build a new computer soon, so I can't wait. And what's up, say my name? How's it going? Okay, there we go. We have the ID. Perfect. That's going to allow me to actually check to see who created it. Awesome. Okay, so now, to get the ID, we're going to reference embed.title. And then we're going to split it up by a space. And then get the first element. Whoops. And then now, we want the listing name. So embed.title. Or not title. It's, oh wait, it is a title. Wait. Oh wait, I'm sorry. This should be author dot name dot split. Okay, and then embed dot title, and then listing URL will be embed dot URL, and then listing description embed dot. You know what? I'm gonna just do this. I don't want to make it super complicated, so I'll just do this. I don't know why I always like to make things super more complicated than what it needs to be. So I'll just make it like this. Okay, so embed dot description, and then I think listed on. This is the date that it was approved. Actually, I'll do approved on. Approved on. So I'll be new date, and then the message ID will be Is that no, wait, no. I think that's the message ID because we are reacting to the message. Okay, cool. TypeScript and Angular, yes. I have videos on well, you can also use React too. How do manage to mess up a whole OS? Well, no, I didn't mess up Windows. I messed up WSL, like the actual, no, well, not WSL, the actual configuration somehow. So it doesn't work anymore. Which bot function? I'm not sure. I can't really tell you because I've never, you know, never done it off the top of my head. But I mean, you just gotta think of some ideas, you know. Any idea you can think of, just make it. Who cares? Make it better. Okay, so this should create the. This should create it successfully. Okay, so let's try this out right now. Oh, I forgot we need to opt into partials. There we go. Okay, so now I think approved on. Yep, should have been approved. Yep. And let me open up my MongoDB Compass. Okay. Let's try this again. Let's submit. Okay, so approved. No errors. And now if I click on my bot over here, you can see it's in the database. Okay. Description. Okay, cool. So now, the reason why I'm doing this is because now inside this message, or inside this else if, we're checking to see if message.channel.id is equal to the submitted bots channel. And now, if I want to delete it, let's say, for example, if I react with wastebasket, it's going to delete this post. If I react with edit, it's going to update the data in the database as well as updating the message embed. And if I update the, if I click on this, it's going to resend it. So, let's do this. And I need to actually, I'm going to write a command later that's going to set this up so I don't have to hard code everything. So that way other people can actually use it as well. Alright, awesome. We're making lots of progress, and it's only 6:30. Damn, it's been 90 minutes. Holy crap. Can't believe it's already been 90 minutes already. Damn, that was quick. Alright, I'm gonna try to get this done as soon as possible. So first, let's handle the most easiest case ever. Let's make it so that if you click on this, well, first we need to do this. Okay, look. First, we need to do this. We need to get the message that the user is reacting with. Okay, so how do I explain this? So let's say if I react to this message, I need to make sure that I'm checking that I am the correct person reacting to. Otherwise, everyone's going to react to it. So if I react to this, I need to check on the database to see if I am the original author of this message. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do this. We're going to search the database based on the creator ID as well as the message ID. I think that's, actually, I think, that should be fine. So const find bot listing. Balaz, what's up? How are you? And we're going to go ahead and do bot listing dot find one, and we're gonna find it based off of the creator ID. So that's gonna be the user ID, and then the message ID will be message.id. Okay, so this should return a truthy value. So we'll do a try catch. Okay, so if I'm gonna call this listing. So if listing, so if it's found, okay, then that means it'll allow them to continue. If it's not, okay, if it's not, then that if the listing is not found, what that means is that the wrong user reacted to. Okay, because think of it like this. Look, the creator ID and the message ID must both belong together, if that makes sense. So let's say, for example, when I created the approved listing, okay, that set the creator ID to my ID. Same thing with the message ID. Okay, but if, let's say, for example, if my creator ID is not the same as the person who actually created the message, this will return nothing. Hopefully, I know it's a little bit weird, but hopefully that makes sense. Basically, there will never be a document where the message ID will belong to the person who didn't actually create the post. Balaz, I'm doing good, man. Thank you for asking. So that's why this will automatically check it for us, which is good. Saves us some time. Okay. So if listing is found, that means the user actually reacted. So we'll do user.send. You can edit your fields here. Okay. Else, we'll just not do anything. This is not your message. Any thoughts on hosting a DC? What's a DC bot? You mean Discord bot on a Raspberry and using SQLite? Well, it depends. There's a lot of questions. What is your bot gonna do? How many servers is your bot gonna be in? Right? There's a lot of stuff that needs to account for. Okay. So let me do something real quick. Let me go over here. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get the bot to DM me. So watch this. So I think do I have DMs enabled? Let me enable my DMs real quick. Alright, there we go. Otherwise the bot's going to throw an error. So let's go over here and let's go here. And so now watch this. Oh wait. Bot DM me. This is not my message. Huh, that's strange. That's very strange. That should be my message. But apparently it's not. You know what it is? You know what it might be? Yeah, it's actually supposed to be submitted message, the ID. Because this is the message that the bot sent to the new channel. That's the approved message. The original one was the message that it was the submitted, the unapproved message. So there we go. Let's try this again. So originally the message ID that was saved was this one. We want this one to be saved. Okay, hopefully that made sense. So now we will approve and submit. So if I refresh, okay, if I copy this ID, it's the correct one. Okay, so now watch this. The bot just sent me a message. Okay. Awesome. Give me one sec. I need to okay, there we go. So you can see that I actually have a DM right now. Okay, I have a DM right now over here. You can edit your fields here, okay? So that's pretty much how it's gonna work. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna send the user a DM after, and we're just gonna send them a menu, and it's gonna allow them to edit certain fields, okay? I was late to the stream, so what exactly are we doing here? What does this bot do? So basically this bot allows people to... It allows my server boosters to submit their bots. Okay, so if you're a server booster, I'll basically allow you to approve your... what's it called? Submit your bot. I'm actually going to do a couple things. I'm going to not only make it for server boosters, but if a patron If you are a donator, I'll probably make that work. I'm not sure about the donator part. The reason why is because I need a way to get the actual data from the API, because there's a lot of people out there, and I want to make sure it's done programmatically. Otherwise, I would have to keep a track. I would have to keep like a list of everything, which I don't mind doing that, of course. But I want to do server booster first, and then I want to do patron, and then I want to do donators. So if you're any one of those people, then you'll be able to submit your bot on here. And yeah, so we're working on the Discord bot right now, and then maybe later we'll work on like a web application. I just made my first bot that creates sports ticket. I'm so proud of myself, but damn, XD, these much of code is insane. I only saw this much at my work or at game programming. I mean, hey man, look, any progress is always good progress. So I'm proud of you. Okay, cool. So now, if I react, okay, let's go back over here. I can react here. Okay, I can react here. Okay, so basically, if I react with the trash can, it's going to delete the message. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it so that it can delete the message. And then we should technically delete from the database. So let's do this. So if the listing is found, what we'll do is we'll check to see. Well, first let's do this. Let's get rid of this. So if listing. Okay, so I'm going to get rid of this user.send now. I'm your last DM? No. I just had my DMs turned off, that's why. Do you recommend any playsite to get started on JavaScript to try coding a bot? G-Splash. I think what you should do first is learn JavaScript first if you haven't already. Learn that first. And then code a bot. Don't code a bot and learn at the same time. That's going to set yourself up for failure. But Discord bot maker, I've never used it before, so I'm not going to say anything about it. Let's do a switch case. Let's switch it up a little bit. And that was no pun intended. Alright, so if it's trash, what we'll do, and I wasn't talking about Discord bot maker, I was talking about the waste basket, the waste baskets emoji. I was saying if it's trash in terms of the emoji. G-Splash, if you want, I have videos on my channel. You can check it out, and it's the JavaScript for beginners tutorial. You can check it out, and you can see if it works for you. It's a good. It was designed for beginners. Like, it's lengthy, but it's like everything's explained to like the dumbest like core ever. Like, when I say dumb, I mean like it's explained to someone as if they're like 5 years old. Because I want to make it as simple as possible. You know what I mean? No, absolutely not. Okay, so if they react with the waste basket emoji, I'm gonna do an await reactions, and I think since we're using TypeScript, I can actually do this. I think this will work. I'm not sure if I need a break statement though. Hand reveal, yeah, we already got a hand reveal already. Mouse reveal. This is my mouse. Can you see it? This is a 6 or 7 year old mouse. I've had this mouse for 7 years. Room tour? Nah, my room is small. There's really not much. I'll do a desk tour. Like, I'll show you guys my setup, but I won't do a room tour, though. I mean, I would show my desk right now, but it's, like, messy as shit. But you know what I'll do? Let me do something real quick. I'll show you guys my monitor that I have right now, okay? Give me one sec. Alright, we ready? Alright, so this is my keyboard right over here. I'm using my webcam, by the way, so it's like really freaking small. Okay, this is my webcam, and this is the monitor that I use. You can see that there's Streamlabs, and this is, yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me see if I can zoom out a little bit. This is my microphone right over here. So that's the monitor, and I have the second monitor right over here, right over there. Okay, and then this is my work laptop right over here, and then this is my other MacBook Pro over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's another MacBook Pro right over there. Don't get DDoSed. What do you mean? Did I show something? Wait. Why are you guys saying don't get DDoSed? Did I accidentally leak something? I don't think so. I don't think I had anything, yeah, I was like, wait, what? I was like, wait, what the hell? Yeah, let me, I don't think I can show my computer. It's like really, I mean, let me see if I could pull it out a little bit. No, it's too, well, I mean, I didn't, the only tabs that I have right now are my Visual Studio Code. That's it. I don't really have anything else. But yeah, that's my setup, guys. That's my setup. There's my Nintendo Switch that I've never played in years. It's just sitting right over there. And this is the keyboard. No, I don't have that kind of shit open. Yeah, that's this is so you guys get this is the perspective that I have right now. You guys get to see the keyboard. Let me minimize that a little bit. Are you guys Stranger Things fans? Stranger Things. Do you guys like Stranger Things, a Netflix show? What keyboard is that? It's a Ducky 1-2 Mini. IP config? I don't have anything opened up right now. You guys are trolling. I'm not that stupid. Alright, yo, I got this poster. Hopefully you guys like this poster. Let me move it up a little bit. This is my poster that I have right over here. You guys see it? It's a Stranger Things poster. Right over there. Stranger Things Season 3 poster. Freaking love this poster. It's amazing. No comment on that. No comment on that. It was a very sad ending, but it was a very sad ending though, I will admit. But I knew he didn't die though. Like, I knew he didn't die. I don't think the cast would ever kill someone off after like 3 seasons. Just didn't really seem, you know. Just seemed pretty weird to me, you know what I mean? My webcam, my Nintendo Switch is in the way. Yeah, I honestly I binged watched everything last year. Like last summer I binged watched everything, so I didn't really you know, I don't remember most of the stuff that happened. How about you draw the Switch? What do you mean draw this? What do you mean by draw the Switch? Like actually, like draw it? Like draw like a picture of a Nintendo Switch, or do I have Netflix? I used to. I don't have it anymore. Do you mean play? You know, I really want to get a capture card. Like I really want to get a capture card so I can play. I haven't played for a while, and I think it'd be fun if I played a Mario Kart or something on stream. I think that'd be lots of fun. I don't have Netflix, not anymore. I won't watch the movie. It was a mistake watching this part of the stream. Yo, Deep, how are you? Anson, how can I learn a fast programming with videos? It would be important with the videos. Reading. Reading is the best way in my opinion. I'm doing good, man. Thank you for asking. Leonard, what's up, man? How are you? How is the camera mounted? It's mounted on my desk. It's mounted on my desk. I have a tripod. I have a tripod. Hey, there we go. Amazing. That works. You see what happened? So we just... Hey, that's what's up. Alright, I'm going to try it again. I'm going to try to see if... I want to make sure it doesn't work for other people too. Like, if... I want to make sure no one can delete my messages. So now watch this. If I actually try to... If I try to delete this... Notice how it's not giving me that... that check mark? Because it's not found, okay? It's not found. So let's submit another bot. Martin B, what's up? How are you? Alright, so we're going to submit it. Approved. Alright, so now I'm going to open up my browser. And what I want to do is I want to make sure that if I react to this message over here, see, it doesn't actually work. Okay, that's good. We don't want that to happen. But if I react to it, it's going to give me a check, and I have 10 seconds to check it, and then it'll delete it. Okay? And it sends me a DM. Now, let me try to add another message. Let me add a bot for myself. Add bot. Let's do... Hello, bot. Hello. Okay, so I'm going to approve this guy's bot right now. I'll approve it. So now it's approved. Now, if I try to delete it, notice how nothing's happening. I'm going to make it so that if I'm an admin, it's going to let me delete it manually. But now, if my other account tries to delete it, you can see that if I react to this, it's not going to work. But if I react to it with my other account, it's going to work, and it gets deleted. The bot didn't send me a DM, though. Not sure why. The bot didn't send my other account a DM. And I have DMs enabled. That's kind of weird. Let me try it again. It's very questionable. Okay, now it sent me a DM. Before it didn't. Well, the filter is correct. We're checking to see if UID. So I'm not sure why. I'll have to try it again. Let's try it one more time. Approve. Alright, so if I react, doesn't work. But if I react, then it'll pop up. But if I react here, it doesn't delete it. Good. But now I'll react. It deletes. Okay, good. Now it DMs me. Okay, for some reason it didn't work before, but now it does. What's my opinion on Discord announcement channels and so on free? They're good. I mean, I think they're good. I think it's going to open up a lot of growth for servers. Made a to-do list after like 90 minutes learning React. Boy, I love JavaScript. It's good, man. That's good. Keep it up. Keep it up. Alright, I'm going to turn off my, my camera. What command am I working on right now? I'm not working on a command. I'm just working on a feature that allows people to delete messages from here. Okay. And what I'm going to do is after, if it times out, I want to make it so that it will delete the message. So actually, let me do this. Okay, so watch this. Oh, wait. Okay, I think we need to kind of do like a try-catch here, I think. Actually, I'll do this. If it runs out of time, I can probably just do this instead. I probably don't need an array else. We'll do this. So send ran out of time. And then we will unreact, so message dot reactions dot oh wait, you know what, I'll just do this, screw it. Okay, so that'll give me that, and then response. A Burr Bear, how are you? I'm doing good, thank you. Alright, let's try this now. Add bot. Hello, hello, hi. So it won't work if we submit a broken link. It'll throw an error, yeah, that's good. Okay, so approved. Now let's do this. So we're gonna run out of time, so we're gonna wait a couple seconds. So it should send me a DM. What's going on? Cannot read properly. Remove of undefined. Oh wait. Oh, that's because it's undefined. Yes. So I think the appropriate thing to do. Wait a minute. Wait. Oh, wait. I got it. I got it. Bot reaction dot remove. There we go. All right, let's try that again. I can't remove that emoji, unfortunately. Okay, so that should technically add it again. So let's give it a couple seconds. It should say ran out of time. Missing permissions. That's because our bot does not have permissions. So you have to give our bot permissions. So let's just say add or remove reactions. Can they remove reactions? This should make it so that they can remove, right? I'm pretty sure it can. Okay, well, I mean, if they have a reaction already, then they should be able to unreact without permissions. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Alright, let's try this again. Okay, so the reaction should get removed. Okay, there we go. So the reaction was removed, and then we have the DM, which is good. That's good. So now if I react, we wait 10 seconds. If after 10 seconds, if we choose not to delete it, then it will remove the reaction, and it will send us a DM that we ran out of time. Just like that. Perfect. That's exactly the type of behavior that we want, okay? That's the feature that we want. Okay, so I think that's really it. And I'll also make it so that I'll remove the trash emoji too. We can worry about that later though. It's not really that important. Okay, so that's the easiest part. So bam, and then that will delete it. And we should also make it so that it's deleted from the database, because you can see right over here, we still have it in the database. So we should make it so that it's deleted from the database. This is a bot that you're interested in. Hey man, look, if you guys are interested, I'll make it so that it can work for multiple different guilds. But there's gonna be multiple features too, so yeah. Well, you guys let me know if you guys are interested. I'll make it available for multiple guilds. Okay. Anyways, okay. So bumping and editing. Editing is gonna be. I think editing. I'll work on it tomorrow, because I'm gonna get off in like 25 minutes. But bumping should be pretty easy. With bumping, what we want to do is we want to check the document, and we want to check when the last time they bumped was. So we want to give them maybe like a cooldown of, let's say, every 4 or 2 hours. And we were going to check the difference, or we're going to calculate the time difference. If the last time they bumped was at, let's say, like, 3 hours ago, then obviously we're not going to let them bump again. So they should only be able to bump every 4 hours. Retrieving the names in the usable list. What do you mean by that? Like, you want like the actual submissions? Is that what you mean? Oh, okay. Yeah, so what I could do is I can set up an API, like I can set up a web server that will pretty much serve all of the data that was sent to the bot. That's what you mean. Yeah, that's possible. I could set up an API for that. But I'm not sure if... I mean, I could. But then that'll turn into like a global bot list. Well, not really, but, it could. I don't know. We'll see. I think maybe we could figure something out. I don't know. All right, so bumping. So we're gonna make it so they could bump every 4 hours. So I'm not sure if the time zone. I think the time zone shouldn't matter because the time zone is gonna be our local time. So I think that should be okay. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is pyro check and no, the code's not on GitHub. It's my I don't think I'm not gonna release on GitHub. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a bumped last bumped on, and this is gonna be a date. So when we first create the actual document, can you show the part where you save the data to a database? Yeah, I can tell you where it is. I mean, I did already, but I'll show you where it's being done. Last bumped on. So, I mean, you know, good timing. So right over here, this is where I'm saving the data to a database. So once we have entered everything, this is where we're creating the data, and this is where it's saving it to the database. So this is the schema itself. Okay, this is the schema that I created, and we basically call the schema.create method. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a property called last bump on, and this is going to be a new date. So when we first create it, obviously when you first create the actual listing, they should not be able to bump it. What's your Discord server? Your name actually seems very familiar. I thought you were on my Discord server earlier, but the link is in the description if you want to join. The description of this, I don't know if you're watching on mobile or something, but it should still be there. There you go. Okay, so now when we click on this edit thing over here, or not edit this, what's this called, this thing? Okay, this bump message, what we're gonna do is we're gonna first, let's get the last bump date. So last bumped on equals listing dot get and last bumped on. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna compare the dates, so let me see. I mean, I could probably subtract 2 dates, I think, and that should work. How to get time difference JavaScript. I think that should be okay, I think. I think we can easily do that by just subtracting the dates. So if I do get time, yeah, we could probably subtract the dates. But I'll probably have to do some Googling later. Okay, so I'll subtract the dates, and now divide it by, I think, 36, let me see. I'll divide it by 3600, which I think is 1 hour, I think. Yeah. Okay. 30 seconds, 2 hours. Yep, it's 1 hour. Okay, awesome. I think I got it. What's perf hooks? Hey, welcome to everyone that's new to the server. Yo, we are, I think, 70 members away from hitting 3K, which is awesome. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking about doing. We're going to subtract the dates, I think. Yeah, I think that should be okay. So, const last bumped on, const current date. And I think I should be able to do, we want to take the current date, subtract the last time we bumped, I think, right? Yeah, the current date is greater. So let's just do console log current date, subtract last bumped on. These should both be dates, so it should be okay. Oh god. Const difference. Alright, what's going on here? Oh, wait, I know why. Wait, why is it? Oh, it's not. Oh, it's because time. Okay, I guess we could do that. Alright, let's try this out. So, we have to create another listing. So let's create another listing. Alright, so let's approve it. Now I'm going to go ahead and bump it. Okay, now remember, this is going to take care of, this whole function is going to take care of making sure that only the correct person is bumping it. If I go on my other account, if I try to bump it right now, nothing's going to happen. But if I try to bump it, notice how it says bumping. So this is the milliseconds, I guess. So that was, what, 12 seconds ago? So I guess we would have to wait a whole hour. I mean, I could update the date in the database. Let me do that real quick. What time is it right now? 7:12. Alright, let me try, let me update this real quick. I gotta manually change the, okay, so I just updated it, okay. So I just updated the database. Let's try this again. Okay, so, wow. Oh, you know why? That's because current date is greater, that's why. I mean, its current date is less than, that's why. I just changed the date to a day later. What can I do? Can I add? I can add dates, right? Hold on, let me, how do I, what's the parameters to put in? New date, JS. I can add days. I should be able to add days. I'm pretty sure if I just add, let's set the month. Let's set the month to, I think it's what? I think 7 is August, right? And current date, set date. Let's do August 1st. Okay. Actually, let's do 4. Okay. Okay, so this was 72 hours, I think, right? 72 hours. Okay, so think of it like this. Look, this is August 4th, so that's 3 days from... Yes, perfect. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to round that number down, I guess. Yes, we want to round the number down, and we want to see if that number is, I guess, equal to 4, or if it's, let's see, if I round the number down... So if it's 4.1, okay, no, that's not gonna work. Well, actually, no. So if I round it down, okay, or I'll round it down, and if it's 4, that means I'll reset the bump date. Okay, that'll be fine then. Yeah, that'll be fine. Okay, so new const. Hours, and we'll do math.floor. So let's round it down. So if hours is less than or equal to 4, so they can't bump. But if hours is, I'll just do if hours greater than 4, then they can bump. Or if hours is greater than or equal to 4. Cannot bump. Bumping. Alright, so we're not updating anything yet. Okay, it says bumping. Why does it say cannot bump though? Wait, what? Why does it say bumping and then cannot bump? That's very weird. Wait. Oh. Wait, why though? Why can it not bump? It should be able to bump. Oh, you know why? It's because, oh, it's because I got rid of the... Oh, yeah, I know why. Okay, wait. Okay, yeah, there we go. The current hours is less than 24. That makes sense, okay. So if the duration is greater than 4, then they can bump, and then we'll have to update the bump. Okay, so let's do this. Let's set the current date. Set date to 1, set month to 7, and current. Let's see what the duration is there. Well, the current time of it will be 7, so I'll have to set the hours to. We'll just do 2. Okay, so it's been 24 hours. Okay, cool. Okay, so since it's greater than or equal to 4, it's gonna bump. Okay. And then what we're gonna do is, okay, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take this last message. Okay, so we're just gonna take what is it? Message, I guess, that they reacted to. So const, and then we'll just resend it again to the channel. So message.channel.send embed, and then we'll have to update the database. So we'll have to go ahead and do listing dot update last bumped on, and that's just going to be current dates, I think. Yeah, and then save. I hope this actually works. Okay, so that should update with the current date. So, okay, let's try this now. Well, actually, you know what? Let's just make sure that it actually changed the date. It'll be uploaded either tomorrow or Sunday. It depends. Okay, so right now I need to make sure that the date is updated. So, bumped. I don't think the date was updated though, but you can see that the message was sent. You can see the message was sent, but oh wait, let me check again. Oh wait, I think the date was bumped. I think the date was bumped. Yeah, I think it was. I think it was. Okay, let me actually. I need to actually drop everything from the bot listings. Okay. So I need to test one thing, and if it bumps it, I should also, if I bump it, I should also. Okay, this is gonna be tricky actually. All right, CSA my name. Do something special for 5K. Yeah, I'll think about it. I'll see what I'll come up with. I'll try to come up with something. Okay, this is gonna be. I just thought about this because if we bump the message, okay, I think we need to also add the reactions again too. And then we also need to update the database. Okay, I guess that makes sense. Okay, yeah, I guess I could do that. We can bump the message and we can update everything. Okay, yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, I'll probably do that tomorrow. Tomorrow's Saturday, so I don't know how long I'll be streaming tomorrow, but I can stream longer than normal because I'll be, I'll be awake all day. But anyways, yo, guys, thank you so much for checking out the stream. I really appreciate it, like always. If you guys have not already joined the Discord server, join the Discord server. The link is in the description. There's no excuse. It's a good place to just chat, meet new people, just, chill. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Once again, I just want to thank you guys for checking out the stream. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in my next stream.